Hello guys, good evening. So, ayun nga po, thanks God kasi natapos na yung pagpakuha namin ng Chinese visa sa Hong Kong. So, sa halip na umuwi kami ng Pinas, yung ginawa namin is pumunta na lang po kami ng Hong Kong. Nag-exit kami ng Hong Kong from China. Tapos, ayun nga, very successful kasi one day lang yung process niya. Kinuha namin is yung urgent na process. So, ayun nga po. So, first, ang ginawa po namin is share ko lang po sa mga kukuha din ng Chinese visa sa Hong Kong. Sa halip na bumalik kayo sa Pinas, kasi kapag sa Pinas kayo, aabutin pa ng maybe 1 month. Kung lalo na kung first time nyo magkaroon ng work or first time nyo sa employer nyo, first, ganon. So, kasi dadaan pa kayo ng POEA kapag umuwi kayo ng Pinas. So, ang ginawa po namin is, sa part namin, nag-exit po kami ng Hong Kong. So, una, nag-search ako sa YouTube, sa Google, ng email address nila. Tapos, ayun nga, nasabi nila na starting March 17, nagbago na yung process nila, which is online muna. Napaka-convenient ng online. Yun nga, register online, tapos nag-submit ng mga documents online din, kagaya ng passport, tapos fill out ka lang ng yung details, information, and then upload yung invitation letter ng employer, tapos yung Chinese and English notification letter for work permit. Yun lang. Tapos yung business license na din ng school. In-upload ko lang lahat yon, and then kasi hinahanapan nila ng stamp na nandun ka na sa Hong Kong. So, ang ginawa ko sa part ko is nagsulat ako ng letter na parang once it was approved, that's the only time that we will go there in Hong Kong to process the Z visa. Tapos, ayun nga, siguro nabasa din naman nila yon. And then, ang bilis nila mag-reply, promise. Like, for only 1 day, ganon, everything is, very smooth and very fast. So, I submitted my requirements today, and then, via online, and then the following day, we receive an email also via service. That email, you cannot reply to them. So, they responded to my email and telling me that it was approved, and I just need to print some files from them. They send me a file that I need to print and then just show it to them when you're already in the Chinese embassy in Hong Kong. And then after that, you can go anytime, no more booking or no more scheduling. So you can go directly to them once you have the paper. So yun nga, we went there Tuesday, and then they ask if it's for regular, which is 4 days, or express, which is for 3 days, or urgent, like 2 days. So for example, you submitted your paper today, this day is already counted for 2 days, and then tomorrow you can already pick it up. So ayun nga, yung pinili namin is for urgent, which is 1,440 Hong Kong dollar. And I think for express, it's around 860 Hong Kong dollar, and for regular is around 440, something like that. So yun nga, which is very convenient. For urgent, yung kinuha namin 1,440 Hong Kong dollar, so that 1 day lang. So kinabukasan na pick up na namin siya around 2 p.m. Sabi sa amin is 4:30 to 5 daw, but we pick it up around 2 p.m. So we got it around 2 p.m. already. And then, ayun nga, so, just an advice as well, napakamahal ang it's very expensive living in Hong Kong. Even for 1 day only, it's very, very expensive. So, we just book a hotel, which is like a soft hotel, something like that. Like only for one night, a very small room, Pero good na siya for only 1 night or two nights. Okay na siya. Yun lamang po at ang share ko sa inyo, and maraming salamat mga ka-Chinatics.